Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. The Flair bartending move I'm going to teach you today looks like this. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's break it down. 2 shakers and a bottle. Now let's work on the 2 shakers first. As with most of my 2 shaker moves, I want to be in this position. Full control over what is going on. Pinky and ring finger on this one. Middle and index finger on this one. We're gonna throw over our shoulder. Audience is here, twisting to this side, so the shakers are on the side of the audience. We're throwing over our shoulder. If you haven't learned that one, just go onto YouTube, search Tom Dyer, over the shoulder, and you'll get a billion tutorials on how to do that. Over the shoulder, and you're catching those like this, all right? 2 beer grabs, thank you very much. Same time, or not same time, you throw those over, they're gonna be in the air. You're gonna throw this one up for a flat throw, bang, and you're gonna catch it there in between your 3 fingers, middle, ring, and pinky, all right? So you'll end up in this position, all right? Let's quickly show you, ready? Split over the shoulder to switch, catch, all right? Now from there, I'm swiping over the top. I'm crossing my arms. This shaker that's on its own is gonna come up, and then I'm gonna swipe, go into the pour. 1, 2, 3, 4, cut. You wanna try and do a nice clean cut. As you cut, you wanna drop that shaker inside this one. See how I put my finger there to kind of catch it? You don't have to do that, but you can if you want. You're gonna cut, drop, bring it this way. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky because I'm holding the bottle in between those 3 fingers, and you need to be strong on those bottle, but you can get the thumb in behind there, come over and make a reverse pour for the empty shaker, cut that off. The 2 shakers have now been poured into. So, step by step, split, throw, catch, swipe to pour, 1, 2, 3, 4, cut, drop, change, hold the bottle, like slightly change the position, hold the bottle, switch it over into reverse, bang, pour. Here we go. This is the whole move once more with the real bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swipe, real bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Swipe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut, drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. And just to show you that it is still there, no smoke and mirrors here, but that is this week's 3 Minute Thursday. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this 3 Minute Thursday series so far. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next week, yes, next week, you just have to wait a whole 7 days. See you then.